You now watch the video, then metri maka and share button. You gotta go. You now watch the video, then metri maka and share button. Then follow this page. Different things is happening on this page. Content to everything there. When I dey plant this yam, I show now. Now I dey nurture the yam. Now I will clear this farm, do everything. And I go see yam. When I go harvest them, I go see yam. Everything. For my top fans, those where they share my content well, God go bless you now. Those who watch my video, God go bless you now. Those who they comment, they like, God go bless you now. This month now a month, we are moving ahead. Come, man, show us something. Come, follow me. Come here, come. You know this thing? You know this thing? No, another see this thing. You know? That one now one. You know, get what you know this farm. You understand? Here can about elu. Elu. In Igbo language. You don't know it. You already ask you ofe nubu. Ofe nubu karaka. Hi. Come here, come. No, gotta go back more.